Hi, it's me, Theetso Thuku. I want to be a presenter because you get to interact with people from all over. You get to know people, which is very amazing. And I love talking to people. People tell me I talk a lot, so yeah. So I want to go there to make my dream become a reality as a presenter. So yeah, please go online and vote for me, Theetso Thuku, presenting. Yeah, just take me, make my dream become a reality. So yeah, thank you. Hi guys, we're here at Cresta Lodge for the IMTA presenters, modeling, you name it, search. So if you think you've got what it takes to come here and stretch your stuff, please don't hesitate to come. It's Gemstone Season 2, jam-packed with the best and nothing but the best. So please pull through. You never know. This just might be where you become a success. Yeah, it never hurts to try. So yeah, come on. Yeah, you should totally come. Yeah, thank you.